I'm Meenakshi from Institute de Informatica. I'm thrilled to talk to you about our foundational course in Python for beginners. If you would like a career in the high-paying field of artificial intelligence, it's an absolute must that you build your foundation in Python. Our course is structured in a manner that it meets the need of anyone, whether you are a working professional or a student, regardless of your experience in coding, because we teach by making you do hands-on or work on projects and case studies. Remember that to learn skill, you need to take steps, and our course is the first step that clear your core concepts. Let's dive right in and see what this course is all about. Over 10 days, we'll go through the essentials of Python step by step. We start with the very basic things like variables, loops, data types and conditions. Once you are comfortable with these, we move slightly more advanced topics like file handling, functions and data structure. We'll also cover some essential libraries. Libraries in Python are like collection of tools that makes coding easier. In this course, you will get to use pandas for working with data and the matplotlib for creating beautiful graphs. And by the end, you will put it all together in a capstone project where you get to apply everything you have learned. So you are not just learning theory, you are actually building projects. The best part about this course, no coding experience required. This course is truly for everyone. Whether you are a BCA, MCA, MTech or BTech student or a recent graduate from any field, this course is a great starting point for you. Even if you are from a non-technical background, this course is beginner friendly and easy to follow. All you need is a laptop, a little bit of a curiosity and the willingness to learn something new. We'll go slow, explain each concept in simple terms, so don't worry if you have never coded before. So what exactly is Python? Python is a programming language known for being simple and versatile. It's widely used in tech companies, especially in fields like data science, artificial intelligence and web development. One reason Python is so popular is its simplicity. Unlike other languages like Java or C++, which have lots of complex symbols and brackets, Python reads almost like plain English. It allows you to write code with fewer lines, making it perfect for beginners. Look at this simple example. With Python, you can complete the same task in just few lines, while other language needs a lot more efforts. This makes it easier to learn and quicker to apply to real-world problems. Now let's take a closer look at the topics we will cover. We start with data types, which is basically how Python understands different types of data like numbers, text and more. Then we will go over operators and conditions to help you make decisions in your code. Data structures are a big part of Python. You will learn how to work with lists, tuples and dictionaries, which are ways to organize, store your data. You will also learn how to read and write files, which is important when working with larger projects. And yes, we will introduce some beginner-friendly libraries. For example, pandas helps you handle data easily and matplotlib lets you create beautiful graphs. This way, you are not just learning Python, you are learning to work with data and make it look great. At this point in time, you must be wondering, what can I actually do with Python? Python is used in so many fields today. In data science and AI, you can analyze data, make predictions, and even create intelligent systems. For example, if you are interested in creating recommendations, like the ones you see on YouTube or Amazon, Python can help you build those too. If you are more into web development, frameworks like Django and Flask let you build websites and web apps. And for those looking to save their time, Python is amazing for automation. Imagine setting up a Python script that automatically emails, reports or pulls data for you. You can literally make Python do the boring task for you. Learning Python isn't just about fun projects. It can open up a whole world of job opportunities. With Python skills, you could go for roles like data analyst, where you analyze and make sense of data, or web developer, where you build websites and online platforms. Many companies today are looking for Python developers for their projects, so Python can give your career a great boost. In fact, industries like finance, e-commerce, IT, and even healthcare need people who can code and automate tasks. So if you are serious about building a tech career, Python is a great place to start. So just to recap, our Python course covers all the basics you need, no experience required, and is packed with real-world applications. Plus, by the end, you will complete a project to showcase your skill and put everything you have learned into practice. If you're ready to start your Python journey, click the link in bio to sign up. Let's learn, code, and grow together. One line of Python at a time, and remember, this is just the beginning. You never know where Python might take you. For any questions, feel free to call our counselors. We'll answer your queries and as well as guide you to build a career in artificial intelligence. Follow us for updates and tech tips, and feel free to message us if you have any questions.